Hello, this video is about rotations, about the origin, around the origin, and I'm specifically going to focus on 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. And I'm going to talk about the relationship between those rotations versus counterclockwise rotations. Okay, so a 90-degree rotation, if you envision one point, okay, let's think of this point right here. I'll call it K. If I were to rotate K 90 degrees, we're going to have a 90-degree angle here that is the same length and distance from the origin as the first one. So this right here is a 90-degree angle. And some of you have already pointed out that if we pay attention to the ordered pairs, this point is at 3, 2. When I do a 90-degree rotation, notice how it is now at 2, -3. My new location is 2, -3. It switches the signs, switches the numbers and changes the sign on one of them. So that 90-degree turn is going to be 2, -3. I switch them and I change the sign on the Y. Y'all see that? Okay. 3 is here, now it's -3. 2 was here in the Y spot, now it's in the X spot, but it's still positive. If I can continue this, okay, so that's a 90-degree turn. 180 is just another 90-degree turn, but so basically we're taking K prime here and thinking about K double prime. And I would just repeat this process with all the other points in my shape. So if we look, this is another 90 degree. 2 90s makes an 80, a 180. Now it's at -3, -2 for K double prime here, my second rotation. So notice this 180, the numbers are in the same location, but both of the signs are different. Both of the signs are different. So, by the way, this is all clockwise. I'm going clockwise. Imagine that 12 noon is up here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going in the order of the numbers on the clock. And then a 270 is another 90-degree turn. We're just adding 90 degrees every time. Taking us right here, making a third 90-degree angle. So K triple prime, because it's the third time I've rotated it, is going to be right here at, and I'm going to change colors, -2, +3. So notice we have kept the 2 and the 3, but the signs have just changed or switched order. Compare this to our originally started. We see the 3 now is in the Y spot, and the 2 is now in the X spot. But if we compare this point to, let's say, over here at K prime, this is a 180-degree turn. This just changed the signs. So 180 keeps the numbers in the same place, but it just changes the signs. While a 90-degree turn switches them and changes the sign of one of them. That's just a little pattern. So what about counterclockwise? Counterclockwise, going the other way. Well, you will be amazed to find that I'm going to get the exact same pictures if I go counterclockwise. Going this way, in the opposite direction of the number, there's 11, and then 10, and then 9, and then 8, and then 7. So going in the opposite order, going this way, this would be a 90-degree turn. And if you notice, this is the same location as the 270-degree turn. So going counterclockwise 90 degrees is the same thing as going counterclockwise 270 degrees. These are the same location. And if I keep going, I can extend that further. Going another 90 degrees counterclockwise is the same as going 180 degrees. So those are the same. Clockwise and counterclockwise, 90 degrees, same thing. And then guess what? A counterclockwise rotation of 270 is going to be the same as a 90-degree rotation clockwise. So, and then 360 is going to be the same no matter which way you go, because that's just a full-on whoop back to where we started. So I hope this video was helpful and not too cluttered. Your rotations are isomorphic in a lot of ways, just especially when we just focus on 90-degree multiples of 90 degrees. Have a great day.